to cup is you have to cup on this part of your hand. You shouldn't be coughing or sneezing. You shouldn't be running for a handkerchief in your pocket or on your hand or in your mask. Also, if you're wearing a mask, please be very particular. And of course, social distancing is important. So if you're in public, then yes, this will be the way. If you're at home, then you can also, in fact, stick to this as a habit. Washing your hands with soap and water is going to save your hand skin and the immunity of your hands more, rather than washing it again and again with a sanitizer, because sanitizer has chemicals and perfume. Sticking to a soap which is transparent, lesser chemicals, lesser perfume is going to help you and reduce hand eczema and fungulates, nail infections, particularly for diabetics. Staying hydrated has been the key, as what we are seeing everywhere, and the scientists are saying drinking warm water and increasing the temperature in your throat and body, upper respiratory tract, reduces the virus replication, is what a lot of scientists are saying. So drinking repeatedly warm water will even help your skin, because staying hydrated helps your skin stay more immune and healthy, being the largest organ of the body, of course.